So hi everyone, welcome back to Data Science in your pocket. And as you have been following Andrej Karpathy, the OG AI scientist, he recently released LLM Wiki. So basically what he's trying to say here is it's an upgrade over RAG where the LLM remembers what conversations it had and what all computations it did in the past. So that once you are asking the same or similar questions the next time, the entire information gets gathered up in one shot and hence saves you time and is very fast. So I think I've already covered in quite some detail what is LLM Wiki in the previous video. You can check that out in the comment section below. The next part that we're trying to cover is its actual implementation. So right now I think Karpathy hasn't released any codes, as you can see in the GitHub repo. It's just a .md file. So where to get this code from? So recently someone has implemented this as Graphify. Yes, you heard it right. Safi Shamsi's GitHub repo, Graphify with stars, 21k stars. As you can see, this is the implementation of Andrej Karpathy's LLM Wiki. An AI coding assistant skill. Type Graphify and code Claude, code, codex, open code, cursor, etc. It reads a file, builds a knowledge graph, and gives you back structures you didn't know was there. Understands the code base faster, find the why behind architectural reasoning. So everyone is saying that this is the actual implementation of LLM Wiki that you can use. So today we would be testing out Graphify to understand how to use LLM Wiki. To understand LLM Wiki in full detail, again, I will request you to check out my previous video. So let's get started. First of all, I will be testing out Graphify in open code and then we'll be jumping onto its details. So let's get started. So first of all, as mentioned in the GitHub repository also, what you need to do is you need to type here whatever project you have taken in open code or be it cursor or be it Claude code, etc. Graphify dot. Once you are doing this, just press enter and the LLM will start thinking, as you can see on my screen. So I think previously also I have already done this. You can see this is a huge prompt that this particular GitHub repo initiates. So I'm not jumping into that for now. Before that, do remember to git clone the repo also. Don't forget to git clone this. As you can see here, this is the GitHub repo. You need to git clone this and get started. And if you don't want to git clone, there is a command for installation directly. As you can see, let me show you the command. Pip install Graphify and Graphify install. This will install Graphify in your string. You don't need to install GitHub repository. So let me show you. Now this is the open code repo. Here you can see that it will start creating the knowledge graph for me. So here you can see the running the traversal to trace by GGML transfers bridge these communities, writing shell, certain commands are going on. This will take some time. It took me 7 minutes in my previous session. So I think here also it will take some time. So by the time it gets created in the end, I think after 6 or 7 minutes, you would be able to see that how Graphify works and creates a knowledge graph for yourself implementing LLM Wiki in your GitHub repo. So when you ask it repeated questions, it would be able to fetch them very fast. So I think this is the only command you need to run and rest of the things would be taken care by Graphify itself. You can ask questions on your GitHub repo, use open code cursor as it is. Just type this command and you would be able to launch Graphify. So first pip install it and then launch this command, that is /graphify and then a dot. So this will help you initiate this. So now let's jump on to the details of the repository and you can find the link to the repository in the comment section below. The problem, I think the raw folder dilemma, valuable but messy, papers, tweets, notes, screenshots, etc. Understanding is missing, data exists, context does not, just rescanning raw files. So this is a problem in most of the projects. LM Wiki concept. So first of all, let's understand a shift from rereading raw data to organizing it once. So what happens if you have 10 and thousands of pages? Assume that what it is doing actually, once you are running LLM Wiki, it creates a knowledge layer for you. So for example, I think I've already given this example in my previous video also. Assume that we have an entire paragraph on entire documentary on Marie Curie, which doesn't mention Pierre Curie. Now you ask it who is the husband of Marie Curie. So it will be searching it through the documents and then finally coming out with the fact. Now, once again, if you ask any question around like what is the occupation of her husband, now it won't be again going back to fetch out that who is her husband. Basically, now the information that was retrieved previously that the LLM already calculated now gets created as a page. and becomes a new add-on. So that also become a part of your existing database. So actually previously which was calculated now just has to be fetched out. This is what the LLM wiki concept is. Do go through my previous video to understand it better. Now enter Graphify. This helps you implement LLM Wiki in just one shot. One command to turn chaos into a structured knowledge graph. What gets built? You just don't get answers, you get an entire system. So if you look at the Graphify.output, it has an interactive graph, graph.html, graph report, graph.json, and cache files that you can check out in your project also, what we have initiated just now. It creates wiki pages, organizes into documents, and graph relationships, organizes into connections. Under the hood, there are two parse engine: code, AST parsing, deterministic, fast and local, docs and images, AI processing, interpreted and concept blur relation, and then one graph is created out of this merged structure. Transparency, trust tags, extracted found in source, inferred, guessed context. So there are certain things that have very high relatability, so that would be taken as a fact also. Never guess what's real. Every relationship is tagged with confidence level. So if it is able to determine there is a relationship between two entities, it will provide a confidence level 2. Ambiguous needs review. Workflow, I think run Graphify, explore the report, and then run query, Graphify query auth, navigate specific paths. The shift, I think, from stateless, rereading files, repeating queries, guessing the context, we are now moving into persistency, structured knowledge, reusable graphs, and guided reasoning. So with this, it's a wrap. I hope you tried Graphify. It's very interesting. I was just trying it out and it was mind blowing to me. I just reinitiated the command. So after a few while, I think depending upon the size of the report, it will take some time. For me, it took me 15 to 20 minutes. It might take more for you too. So do try out Graphify. Just one command is required. After that, you can explore the different files also to understand it better. Thank you so much. I hope you have a great day.